You've done drugs with him.
Yes, I have.
Cocaine, right?
Cocaine, yes.
Alcohol.
Alcohol, yes.
Pills, including Xanax and Adderall, right?
The jury, and remember again, it's quite worth pointing out that obviously that court case that happened in Britain, the judge decided it. This one, a jury will actually decide it.
To lie about her husband for her own personal benefit. Amber Heard forever changed Mr. Depp's life and reputation.
This was what she used. She became very adept at it. You're going to hear the testimony from Amber about how she had to mix the different colors for the different days of the bruises.
Directly at the end of the bar, there was a scrunched up piece of kitchen paper, if you like, tissue, with lots of blood around it, on it. So I thought that was probably a pretty good place to look.
Did Amber Heard really just fake alligator tears in the court to prove to the judge that she's innocent? Or do you think Johnny Depp is in the wrong here? Whatever you have decided, hold on to it because the video I'm about to show you is going to stun you and fill you with surprise. Stay tuned till the end to catch live updates of what actually went down. Before we proceed, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on these two. The trial for Johnny Depp and Amber Heard has been going on for the past couple of days, and it is filled with all the drama and surprising news that you can imagine. But before we talk about whether Amber's tears were real or fake, let's get some backstory on the two to understand their dynamic better. On the set of Hunter S. Thompson's film version of his book The Rum Diary, the two famous performers, Heard and Depp, became co-stars. Vanessa Paradis and Johnny Depp had 2 children together at the time of the film's release. Heard and Depp had just met for the first time and were still getting to know one another at that point. It would be naive to believe that the charges leveled against Heard are a one-off affair. However, when Tassia Van Rey says that the police misinterpreted the event in which Heard was detained for allegedly beating her, the charges against Heard were dismissed. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp began their shared traumatic journey of married life together, and immediately, after they decided to get married without even thinking about it a little. Do you think that the sudden decision to get married after 1 year of dating is what led to the couple's horrible marriage? Heard and Depp exchanged vows in a small ceremony at their Los Angeles home. After their initial wedding in a more low-key setting, they wed again on Depp's own island in the Bahamas in a more lavish ceremony. We've been together for a long time now, so it's been a fairly organic process, Heard tells Elle after their wedding. I have a fiercely independent spirit. While it might come off to the public that Depp is mean to her now, there was a time when he would treasure her like the Titanic gemstone. In fact, did you know that Heard's engagement ring was actually the stone from the Titanic movie? Yep! Here, take a look for yourself. Anyway, the wedding glory didn't last very long because soon the court trials began. On May 23, 2016, Heard filed for divorce from Johnny Depp. Heard is said to have arrived in court with a bruised face. A restraining order against Depp was given to her after she filed a domestic abuse complaint against him on May 21st. That's not true, though. An LAPD spokesperson says that their investigation into the May 21st claim did not find any evidence of a crime. During this month, Heard also gives court documents that say that the Fantastic Beasts actor often assaulted her when he was high on drugs and alcohol, which is why she filed them. He has a short fuse, she said. He is often paranoid and his temper is extremely scary for me, as it has proven many times to be physically dangerous and/or life-threatening to me. In August, Depp and Heard agreed to settle their abuse case without going to court. As part of their divorce, Heard was getting a settlement of $7 million, which she says she would give to a good cause. The exes released a joint statement saying, "Our relationship was intensely passionate and at times volatile, but always bound by love. Neither party has made false accusations for financial gain." This was when they decided to keep things calm and civil, but every person has a breaking point. A couple of years down the line, Amber Heard decided that she still wasn't happy and had to poke Johnny some more. What she didn't realize was that every action has an opposite or equal reaction. In 2018, Amber had some more drama on her mind. Heard finally decided to talk some more about her chaotic journey and ended up creating a defamation case. She wrote a piece in the Washington Post where she talks about her struggles with being a domestic violence victim. Here is what she said in her Washington Post piece. For months, I rarely left my apartment, and when I did, I was pursued by cameras, drones, and photographers on foot, on motorcycles, and in cars, she wrote. Tabloid outlets that post pictures of me spun them in a negative light. I felt as though I was on trial in the court of public opinion. While the actor did not mention Depp by name in the Washington Post article, she does allude to the time period when, 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out. All of this came crashing down on her when Johnny Depp decided to sue her for defamation. This is what you've been seeing these days. Are you ready to see how Amber cried fake tears just to show the world an ounce of fake humanity? Stick around because you're going to be shocked. The court was shown a video that Amber Heard had secretly filmed of Johnny Depp attacking cabinets during an argument. She cried when the video was shown. When she saw the video of Johnny Depp breaking up the kitchen at his home in West Hollywood, California, while the two of them were married, she closed her eyes and looked down as the video was showing in the Virginia courtroom, where the couple's multi-million-dollar defamation case is being fought. The video played as Mr. Depp had been cross-examined by Ms. Heard's lawyer at the end of the second week of the case. He could be heard shouting, swearing, and banging on the wall and cabinets. Ms. Heard was caught on the video telling Mr. Depp, "All I did was say sorry. Did something happen to you? I don't think so. You drank this whole thing this morning. You're smashing stuff." Her lawyer asked Mr. Depp if he had drunk a mega pint of red wine. Mr. Depp said he had a large glass of wine. "I thought it was necessary. I did assault a couple of cabinets, but didn't assault Ms. Heard." Further saying, "I did not try to intimidate Ms. Heard. If she was intimidated while she was filming, if she was scared to death, why didn't she leave?" Allegations also came up on Depp that he tried to headbutt Amber while they were arguing. He says that because she was having a hard time, any contact would have been accidental. "I was trying to restrain Ms. Heard, and once I had restrained her, if she's still trying to move around or kick at me, it's not impossible for them to bump, but a headbutt? That's pretty extreme," he told the court. When the case went to court, audio recordings about the incident were shown. After the first recording, Mr. Depp said, "If you want to have a peaceful conversation with Ms. Heard, you might have to placate just a little bit." This clearly indicates that Amber would often act hostile while they were arguing. She would hit him or get violent by smashing things, and he would have to settle her down in order to talk to her. The couple has one of the shakiest marriages in Hollywood, and the truth has just started coming out. The court case is still ongoing, and this ex-couple will definitely reveal more of what happened. Stay tuned to get daily updates on these two. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below and let me know which one of these two you believe. Do check out some of these other videos, and we'll see you next time.